Hi guys, today we will talk about how to search for your history on your Messenger app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Messenger app. All you have to do, you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this. And you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window here like you say. Then you just go down here, then you click here on personal details, then you come to next window here and you just click here on your information and permissions, then you click here on search history and you click here on your account. When you click here, and it's going to show for you all your history you have on your Messenger app. So I wish now you are get it. That's all you have to do. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video about all Messenger app settings.